The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is a faint radiation that permeates the entire universe. It is considered the echo of the Big Bang, the event that marked the birth of our universe. The CMB is composed of photons that were released about 380,000 years after the Big Bang, when the universe became transparent. These photons have been traveling through space ever since, carrying valuable information about the early universe. By studying the CMB, scientists gain insights into the composition, age, and evolution of our universe.